Jeffrey! Jeffrey! I need to see the new issue. Interesting.
¿Qué cara tiene?
¿Ah?
¿Qué cara?
Great idea. You are not fired today.
Oh, thank you, Miss I try to come up with the best ideas possible.
No.
Just keep those ideas coming, Jeffrey. I have big plans for you. Jeffrey, you totally took credit for my idea. What was that?
That's about you being an intern and me being the next editor.
¿Qué cara hace?
Tell
¿Qué cara hace?
Solo es,
I can't believe you stole my idea.
Don't worry, kid. You'll live for time to shine. In the meantime, how about some coffee?
I don't drink coffee.
Don't drink it to get it. Everyone, Alex is going on a
Love
coffee
you.
run.
Can you believe that?
I know, it's horrible. I'll have a caramel macchiato. I'll take an orange.
All right, wingman, get over there and talk me up. As soon as you feel she's ready, you give me the high sign.
Done. What's the high sign?
¿Cómo son dos?
Finish scratching that itch and show me the high sign.
Just wave high, okay?
Yeah.
Just like this.
Got it.
Good.
¿Qué pasó?